YouTube. Welcome to the shop. Thomas here. New HackerBox. Nice and colorful. HackerBox 0057. Safe mode. What could it be, I wonder? I don't know. Let's look. Maybe. Yeah, one of the things I was noticing when I got the box is you could tell it's full, and I can see a practice lock. Interesting. We got one of these, I don't know, a couple months back. I can't remember the box. We got it. This is the lightest lock I think I've ever picked up, but it looks like some kind of, I don't know if it's polycarbonate or resin, but it's something interesting though. And practice picking with this, I guess. I like it though. Yeah. So that's cool. Maybe if I can get it back in the thingy. Oh well. I'm like really shaking. I just had a whole bunch of coffee. I've got a pin. I kind of just got a mask on. That's funny. I think that's really cool. Oh, yeah. Nice little USB-C cable. And we've got a remote. What is this? And a... That's cool. What is that? Oh, there's something in my thingy here. It ain't going back. There it goes. Yeah, a little remote control. That's cool. PC remote. I like that. Hotkeys. Little dongle like thing. Oh man, mine just didn't do what it went. That's cool. Yeah, I see some picks. There's, I don't know what that is, but I see RCA jacks. What is that? Rotary encoder. That's a little tiny surface mount. What is that? Oh, caps for the buttons. Nice. I don't know what that goes to. We'll find out. There's some picks. Yeah, a bunch of single pin picking stuff. That's interesting. Secure Pro. I don't know about that. Sorry, my battery died. I don't know where it died at, but just in case, we just got some more picks. This is like I was saying, the second box. These are actually numbered, I noticed, on one side. Bunch of single pin picking type stuff. And I just took this out of the little package. Little OLED TT Go. I'm not really sure what this is. It looks like an ESP32 of some type, I don't know. Anyways, we'll play with that. And then, what do we got here? Multifunctional seamless wear. Okay. It's a gaiter basically that you can manipulate for a headband, balaclava. It's actually pretty sweet. I kind of like that little HackerBox. Yeah, that's cool. Keychain. Oh, this is for the, this ain't a keychain, this is for the little circuit board here. So, yeah, okay, I'm starting to see something here, okay. It's a badge, nice, okay. photo sticker. And a couple more. Awesome. Can't wait to put it together. See you guys next time.